this one's getting up again. And that means we have a winner.
Of course he will. Just not here.
Didn't anyone ever tell you, Mandragora? No one messes with the Justice League. Looks like we're in this together.
If you call me girlfriend, I'm gonna drop kick you into the next county.
Now don't go all sentimental on me.
Let me try. Cover your ears. I should have taken you down last time. My mistake.
Let's make this quick, boys. It's dinner time and I'm starving.
Batman and Black Canary! You heard the boss! Get him!
Such a pretty voice, but I have one too. Looking for me, big boy?
Not too bright.
You're learning, Grundy. Maybe you don't need a bigger brain after all. Then again.
No one escapes justice, not even the undead.
So, how about that dinner? Your treat.
His voice can hit a pitch that hypnotically controls anyone who hears it.